just gives me anxiety looking at this. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about summer family road trip hacks. Sometimes the 8-hour drives are like terrible. A couple hours go by, your butt falls asleep, and you're like, oh no, this is where it all ends. But then your parents say, we're gonna get McDonald's, and you're like, yes, I'm getting those pancakes. And then you start feeling a little sick, and you're like, yo, I've been drinking that water, we gotta go stop. So then we stop at this really awkwardly hot KFC. We also have to get gas, so you're sweating. You finally relieve yourself, but you're still upset because you have another 5 hours to go. It's a roller coaster of happy and what's going on, just like my videos. Are you ever just like, what's going on? You need to find your phone charger because you want to watch that YouTube video, but then you find this. What is that? I don't know. What is this? No one has that phone anymore. Stress taking over my life. Mom, can you come pick me up? Oh, Viola. Oh, I have two. I definitely stole this from one of my friends. That took a lot of time and a lot of extra stress that my body doesn't need. So this, we don't want that, but this, we're all about that. First of all, it has little compartments for all of your beautiful core desires. So you got your phone charger, so you got your earphones, and you got another phone charger, but it's longer because, you know, I love long cords. This is like a one-stop shop for all your electronic needs. I feel like an infomercial person. Travel Cable Cozy has all your electronic needs. It actually has nothing electronic. You just put electronics in it. For this DIY, you'll need embroidery floss, thread, some fabric, and elastic. First, cut all your pieces of fabric and glue them together. Let it set overnight. Once that's set, sew your hems. Now attach your elastic, making little notches for your cables. And next up, we have the bottle cap flashlight. This is like a recyclable hack. It's literally just a bottle cap, battery, a light, and it's another bottle cap. So now, another set the scene. We're gonna be setting all of the scenes today. You're just like sitting back and like it's dark and you can't find your cables. Travel Cable Cozy. And you're like, oh no, I need to charge my phone. I gotta stay connected to the internet. That's all you have to do. On, off, on, off. I mean, it is bright. I'm low-key blinding myself. For this DIY, you'll need 2 bottle caps, a craft saw, a drill set, LED and battery, tissue paper, and a squeeze clamp. First, cut off the top of the bottle cap to fit inside the second cap. Drill 2 holes in the full bottle cap and attach the LED and battery. Attach both bottle caps and squeeze to light up. Let the backseat light show commence. Once upon a time, there was Georgia. She was in a car. She didn't have a flashlight, so she could not find her bagels. She can't eat. She can't feast. So what did she do? She ate the dog food. I've actually eaten dog food. It's not pleasant. It's very dry. You eat the dog food, and then you turn into a dog. So what are you gonna do? Sniff out the bagels. And then once you eat the bagels, you're human again, and that's why you need this, because you don't want to turn into a dog, now do you? I don't know what that was. So you know when like you're sitting back in a car, like your neck gets like messed up. They're kind of like straight up, and even if you try to like recline it, it's not that reclined. It's just uncomfortable. So I hacked it. The neck pillow with a hood to tell people that you're comfortable right now and don't talk to me. Listening to your music, sleeping, and just, yep. And it has pockets. If like you have food and you don't want your brother to steal it when you're sleeping because like he would, just put it in the pocket. And this is the last hack for the Goldie machine that I'm collaborating with MyFroggyStuff. MyFroggyStuff is gonna be making a mini version of this for the last time. Don't cry. I already cried about it last night, but it's okay because the Rube Goldberg. Can I have a moment, please? Yes, it's the last one. And that means Rube Goldberg is gonna be soon. I've been brainstorming. It's gonna be pretty lit. And check out the other videos. There's 6 of them. And then check out their videos. Just check out a lot of videos. I have them linked down below, so I'll make it easy for you. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you're gonna need a hoodie, a seam ripper, paper, batting, a lanyard, and embroidery floss. First, cut the hood off the hoodie. Then attach the hoodie to the part you just designed. Sew around the back and flip right side out. Continue sewing, but leave a small opening. Stuff with batting and sew it shut. Time to get your snooze on. You can just like put your hands in it and like chill. Even though this is like a little, I don't know, maybe, oh! You can like lay your head on your body and then you don't look like a human anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below what your favorite was. I think mine was definitely the pillow. It's just so cozy. Like, I like it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more DIYs every week and hit that little bell. The weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Wired Lil Bill. Your comment was so sweet and you're 11 years old. That's awesome. That's it, hackers. GoldieBlox, nodding off.